Hey everybody, it's Edward at Fastlane. We're at our Triple Street location. Wanted to take a minute to show you our process. So when you come here, if you need to drop off after hours or before hours, we do have a key drop that you can come in, fill out an envelope, and slide that through the slot here to drop off before or after hours. So let's go inside. All right, as we make our way here into the Triple Street front lobby, I wanted to show you around, show you some of the things that we have, the amenities for you when you come in. It's a very nice lobby, it's beautiful, and you're gonna see some smiling faces. You're gonna see Scott, this is one of our advisors, and Marissa.
Hey Eddie, what's going on?
And that's who you're gonna be dealing with when you come into the Triple Street location. A couple really cool things that we have here to try to just do the extra things for you. We have waters, we have snacks, we have toys for your kids, we have Matchbox, we have coloring crowns. We want this to be a customer experience where you come in, nobody wants to get their car fixed, I get it. But we want it to be the best process, the best experience it can be. That's why we focus our business being customer centric.